In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an old, outdated thermostat with a brand new thermostat. This video features a very basic 4-wire conventional thermostat like that found in over half of the homes in the U.S. May not be the type of thermostat you have in your home, may not be the heating and cooling system you have in your home. We'd urge you to consider if you're up for doing this project, especially if your home has a more complex heating and cooling system. Some projects are best left to the professionals. Consult your local HVAC contractor. We're going to replace this old, outdated-looking Honeywell thermostat. There are a few reasons you might replace an older thermostat. If your old thermostat is non-programmable, you can conserve energy and save money by using a programmable thermostat, which sets back the temperature when you're not home or asleep. You might not like the way your old thermostat looks, which is certainly the case here, or you might be looking for new features like a touchscreen interface, auto changeover, or programmable fan. We're going to replace our old thermostat with this fancy programmable touchscreen thermostat from Lux. First step for this project is to turn off the power to the heating and cooling system, in this case the switches in the garage. Now it's safe to remove the faceplate from the existing thermostat. Now you'll notice that we don't want to disconnect any of the wires quite yet because they need to be labeled. Each wire connects to a lettered terminal on the old thermostat. We're using these convenient stickers that came with our new thermostat to mark the wires with the letters of the terminals where they go. You could certainly mark them with masking tape or just jot down the letters of the appropriate terminal and the color of the wire. For example, the yellow wire went to the Y terminal, green wire went to the G terminal, etc. On the other end of the wires connect to similar letter terminals on your air handler furnace. Each wire has a specific function, and most commonly the Y terminal is for the compressor or air conditioning, the G terminal is for the fan, the W terminal is for heat, and then the R terminal is for 24 volt power. Now it's safe to go ahead and unconnect our labeled wires from the old thermostat. And we're also going to remove the old backplate. Now it's time to install the backplate from the new thermostat. We had to do a little bit of improvising here because the existing hole didn't match up quite right, so we drilled a little hole in the new backplate, and we're going to thread the wires through and mark locations to run screws through the holes to secure the backplate. Almost every thermostat comes with a couple of wall anchors, so you can make a good solid connection into the drywall behind. Now it's time to connect the wires to the corresponding terminals on the new thermostat. Using the stickers, the labels that we had before, we simply match those up to the correct lettered terminal on the new thermostat. Okay, now we're done with the wiring. Now we're going to take the faceplate from the new thermostat and snap it onto the backplate. And now it's safe to go ahead and turn the power back on to the HVAC system. At this point, we're more or less done. You can check the success of the installation by turning the fan mode from auto to on and making sure that the fan does in fact switch on. You can also turn your air conditioning on or your furnace on to make sure that it does come on as it should. As we said before, this video covers the most common and simplest thermostat replacement scenario. You may have a more complex scenario at your place. If you need assistance selecting the thermostat and you're interested in replacing yours, visit our prothermostats.com website and check out our thermostat finder utility. You can always give us a call at 866-764-9900, and our experts will help you select the thermostat that's right for you. Thanks for watching.